In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move OneNote section and page panels to the left. If you prefer a cleaner workspace, or you're used to apps that keep navigation on the left, this quick layout change can make OneNote feel a lot more organized and familiar. Start by opening OneNote on your computer. Once you're in your notebook, look toward the top of the window for the ribbon, the toolbar that runs across the top of the app. Click the View tab to reveal options that control how your pages and panels are displayed. This is where OneNote keeps its layout and appearance settings, so everything we need is right here. Inside the View tab, find the option labeled Tabs Layout. It may appear as a button or a small menu depending on your window size. Go ahead and select Tabs Layout to open the layout choices. You'll see an option called Vertical Tabs. Choose Vertical Tabs, and OneNote will immediately reorganize your workspace. After you select vertical tabs, your section and page panels move to the left side of the window. Instead of sections running horizontally across the top and pages along the right, you now get a tidy left-hand sidebar. This sidebar stacks your navigation vertically, which makes it easier to scan long lists of sections and pages without taking up space across the top of your screen. It's especially helpful on smaller displays, or when you want more room to write in the main note area. You'll notice that nothing about your content changes. Your notebooks, sections, pages, and notes all stay exactly the same. Only the way you navigate shifts. Think of this as a view preference rather than a structural change to your files. If you often jump between many sections or work with long page lists, the vertical layout keeps everything visible with less scrolling. If you don't immediately see Tabs Layout in the View tab, make sure OneNote is fully updated. Some older builds may not include this option yet. Also, keep in mind that the appearance can vary slightly depending on your screen size or window width. But the View tab and Tabs Layout control are the keys you're looking for. That's all it takes. Open OneNote. Go to the View tab. Choose Tabs Layout and pick Vertical Tabs. With just a couple of clicks, you've streamlined your workspace and moved the section and page panels to the left, giving you a layout that's efficient, familiar, and focused on your notes.